Hello guys, I welcome you to the Astura show, and today we are going to learn about the Chaikin money flow indicator, which is a very good indicator, and this is the first video in this series. We'll be making other videos explaining you the technical indicators so you can learn all the technical indicators free of cost. So let's start with the definition. Definition is very simple. Chaikin money flow indicator was developed by Mark Chaikin, is a volume weighted average of accumulation and distribution over a specified period, and the period is 21 days. So we'll be learning about this indicator with the help of our two trading platforms, that is Zerodha and Angel Broking. If you have one of the accounts, that will be useful for you. If you do not have the accounts, you can open the account free of cost by going to the description. So here we have Zerodha kite application, and we have okay, so we will pick any one of the stocks. For example, Bajaj Finserv. Okay, we pick Bajaj Finserv, and this is the chart, daily chart. So we'll place the indicator, we'll type the indicator, check in money flow indicator, and I will tell you how to use the indicator to take a buy or sell call. Okay, see, in the indicator you can see a dotted line. This dotted line is zero line. So, and you can also see the green line which is going up and down. So if this green line crosses the zero line and goes up above the zero line, that means it's a buying pressure and you can take a buying call. If this green line crosses zero line and comes downwards, so you can take a sell call. That means it is a selling pressure. So you can see, now we will also back test it and try to see if it had the CMF, Chaikin money flow indicator, had given the right signals or not. So first of all, in the chart we'll identify area. This area you can see, so there was a good run up of this stock, 56282, 5628285. You can see this green line has crossed zero line and gone up, and if you make an entry somewhere here 6796, so you make a good profit. Okay, let's see another area. Let's find another area where there was downfall. Okay, we want to ignore this area. This is March 2020, so we want to ignore it. Let's find, okay, this area, there is a good downfall. So this has crossed zero and it has gone down. So maybe if you take this point, entry point here, you make the entry here, again you make good profit. Let's, okay, yeah, there's a good upward movement here from 59432 to 8229. So it crosses this line, green line crosses here. If you make entry here, then you make a very good profit. Now one thing I will tell you from my experience, you can see, you can observe this indicator and take the entry as per your convenience and understanding. If you want to take a buy entry, so rather than taking a buy entry at zero crossing, you can take the buy entry at around minus 0.20 or minus 0.30. I will tell you, show you on the chart. Okay, let's now try to find out an area which is minus 0.2 or 3. Here it is minus 0.3, this area somewhere here. So if you make your entry here 9401, so you can catch up the entire rally. So you can catch up the entire rally again. Okay, this rally. So if you make the entry here somewhere 0.30, if you make the entry here, you can catch up the entire rally. So this may be your point of entry. So that depends upon your risk taking capability. If you are a risk taker, you can take the entry here. So if you ask me personally, I would like to take the entry here. So if you want to take a sell call, similarly, so somewhere here you can take the entry in this area. This area is a good entry point. So but as per the indicator's definition, you should take the entry when it crosses the zero. So that's your call how you achieve the accuracy. So whatever gives you more accuracy, you should go by that. I will also show you in Angel Broking how can you use this indicator, should be there. Okay, for example, IGL, I will open this IGL chart, and daily chart will open. Other indicators I'll delete. So we'll go to studies and type the indicator Chaikin money flow. Okay, you can see this is the zero line and this is the black line here, which was green in kite, zero the kite, so it is black. So when it crosses, you can take a sell call, and when it crosses above, you can take a buy call. Let's try to find out an area. Okay, a good rally here. You can see a good rally here. So either you make your entry here, somewhere here, or you can take an entry here. So as per the definition of the indicator, you take the entry here. Let's take a downfall. There was a downfall, so you take the entry somewhere here, or you can take the entry here, somewhere here. Then there is a downfall, again you can take the entry here or here. So I hope this indicator is clear. So I would suggest you to take the help of other indicators as well. So do not rely entirely on one indicator. So you can also club this indicator with other indicators so that you can take a very accurate call. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to open your account in Zerodha or Angel, you can open your account with the below link. It is free of cost. Thank you very much for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.